The CPQ workspace is organized by function. The left navigation covers product definitions, pricing, sales, billing, and administration. Products are organized into families and lines, simplifying catalog ownership and management. The catalog supports simple products, dynamic products, and bundles. A bundle combines multiple products and exposes the appropriate configuration choices during quote creation. Bundle features define which products are included, along with allowed quantities and value ranges. Constraints add dependency rules between selections. For example, choosing one operating system can suppress an incompatible management option. This ensures that sales users can build only valid, deliverable configurations. Custom products handle account-specific needs. Reusable templates capture recurring and one-time costs, size, and require parameters. Unlike standard catalog items, a custom product records flexible key value information for an individual customer. The template defines the available fields, while each customer-specific product stores its own values. Pricing begins with cost matrices. Each product can have costs for monthly recurring, one-time, or hourly charging. Conditions may select a different cost based on product attributes. Standard margins are then applied to calculate a selling price. Approval thresholds define who must review a quote if the salesperson overrides that price or reduces the margin. The sales area stores customer accounts, addresses, contacts, projects, purchase orders, tax identifiers, documents, and sales team access. Opportunities can be created manually or received from Salesforce. From an opportunity, the user creates a quote with the customer, legal entity, and currency populated automatically. The user selects billing and service addresses, then specifies the commercial duration. The system creates the quote structure without requiring estimated calendar dates. Long-term quotes are divided into segments. A 3-year deal can use one segment per year, allowing the same services to carry different prices over time. Segments also support promotional periods or separate commercial groupings within one quote. Products are added from the catalog and configured inside the quote. The available attributes, values, and quantities come directly from the product definition. As the configuration changes, the system recalculates cost, price, and margin, so the salesperson can immediately see the commercial impact. If a price override reduces the margin, the quote displays the required approval level. Approval is routed to the manager responsible for that product line. Once all line-level approvals are complete, the entire quote can move to the final architectural approval stage. Approvals are shown directly on the quote, instead of forcing reviewers to open a separate task screen. A product manager sees only the lines assigned to that position and can approve or reject them in context. When every line is approved, the workflow automatically requests quote-level approval from the architect. After final approval, the quote is converted into an order. The order retains its segments, configure products, commercial values, and approval history, providing a clear handoff from sales to fulfillment. Early in the process, the solution uses durations rather than estimated dates. Once order management approves the order, that approval becomes the start point, and the system calculates the corresponding start and end dates for each segment. The approved order is submitted for provisioning. Order lines are sent to the provisioning team, which returns progress and the actual bill start date. Billing, therefore, begins from the date a service is genuinely completed and available to the customer. When provisioning is marked complete, the system automatically creates the customer asset. The asset records the configured product, instance, charging method, actual start and end dates, and final price. These active assets become the basis for invoicing, completing the CPQ lifecycle from product setup and quoting through approval, ordering, provisioning, and asset-based billing.